No one is there. Inform kar. Inform them. Or after the list is over, call them. In the meantime, mention kar bole. In the meantime, ask for the mention. No? Yes, yes, yes. Yes, Mr. Singh, anybody from Itanagar bench?
Yes, my lord, I'm appearing for item 1 for Itanagar bench.
Okay. What is the status, present status?
My lord, on the last occasion, your lordship was pleased to give a direction to registry, and the service report was awaited on 16 when your lordship last
What
took up the
about the
matter.
usual process?
That has
Your one
stages with
is
examination.
your one is item number 1, election petition 1.
My lord,
1.
my lord, my lord. Yes, my lord.
What is the status regarding service?
Service, I have just cross-checked, but office note, I don't know. But so far, Dusty, there has been already effective Dusty service has been done, my lord. And your lordship was even pleased to
That the
make a
main
note
contest and the speaker.
69.
Speaker.
My lord,
You have only one respondent.
my lord, only one.
In your petition, how many respondents are there?
Only one respondent, my lord.
What if the office note as regards usual process?
My lord, I could not cross-check with the office note.
Perus, the office had Mr. G. Gunadhar Singh, learned counsel for the election petitioner. Office note dated 13/9/2024 reflects that service report in respect of the sole respondent is awaited.
My lord.
Awaited. Full stop. Though postal received status of not necessary. Awaited. Full stop. Registry cell. We are listing next Monday for service. List this matter on next Monday for updated service report. Full stop. Registry also incorporate service taken through usual mode. Report of service taken through usual mode. List accordingly.
Obliged, my lord.
Yes, service is what is the status of service?
My lord, service, the state service, I could not have it delivered the state service. The incumbent, the respondent number 1 is
1,
now
2, 3 is awaited.
Yeah. Now 2, 3 has done. 1 is awaited, and the one respondent number 1 is now he is the Speaker of Legislative Assembly on Uttar Pradesh. might be preoccupied.
So far relating to respondent number 1, it is delivered.
Uh,
Isn't it?
However, you have not Honorable Court has not directed me.
No, that is fine, but otherwise it is
Yeah.
delivered. Anybody appears?
Yes, Lordship.
Anybody appears for respondent number 1?
Yes, Lordship. We have filed our Wakalatnama today and we received the registered post the last Friday on the 13th only.
Okay, so you have entered appearance.
Yes, respondent number 14.
And what about respondent number 2?
Lordship, I am for respondent number 2.
You are
Lordship.
appearing?
Lordship.
And what about respondent number 3? Yes, respondent number 3.
Respondent number 3 has also got the dusty service in last months of 7th or something like that, my lord. I have already done dusty service to respondent number 1, 2, and 3.
None appears. Okay.
Yeah, non-appeal.
What about respondent number 2 and 1? What about your written statement?
Lordship, we need some more time to file our written
You have
statement.
not filed application. We will proceed with ex parte.
Lordship, one more
It
time.
is election petition. It's not like that. Writ petition. You will verbally pray. We will not grant adjournment. It will proceed ex parte.
Lordship, last chance may be given, Lordship.
First, increase your volume.
Lordship, last chance may be given, and this time we will
Huh?
file. Last chance may be given, this time we will
What
file.
last chance? We cannot have oral. Even to give a last chance, you will have to file an application. IA. We cannot grant you time.
Yes. Lordship, beg pardon. In respect of the respondent number 1, we have received on the Friday on the 13th. So we
Maybe
need to
you
sub-
have received it on Friday. You will have to file
Yes.
an application saying that we have received it on Friday. We want some time to file written statement.
Yes,
Otherwise,
Lordship.
it will proceed.
Yes,
ex parte.
Lordship. Last chance short date may be given, Your Honor.
No, we
Last chance, Your
cannot.
Honor.
We cannot. This is not the procedure. Until and unless you file an application today and we are listing the matter after some time. This is the only option.
Lordship. Your Honor.
Otherwise, it will proceed ex parte.
1 week time at least, Your Lordship.
Huh?
Lordship, 1 week time may be granted. Your
Mr.
Honor.
Counsel, we cannot. This is an election petition specially assigned to a bench. Procedure is to be followed.
Yes.
If you are not filing any application after receipt of notice, entered appearance, it will proceed ex parte, as simple as that.
Well filed then, Your Honor.
And what about other respondents? Everything will be same. We are giving you some time. Still, you have time till we rise. No way out after some
Okay.
time.
Obliged.
Yes,
Your Lordship, there is an IA, Your Lordship.
yes.
There is an IA, Your Lordship, 140.
IA
IA
for?
interlocutory applications for releasing of EVM, Your Lordship. Today,
Huh?
as per the last order, 29/8/2024, necessary order
IA
was
for, IA for.
IA for
Okay,
releasing
will
of
anybody
EV.
file? No objection will be filed. Na?
No.
Okay,
Petitioner
we
in
are
person.
fixing the matter on Monday next.
As per the last order, today it was listed for
We'll
necessary
pass the
order.
order. Today time will not permit.
Okay,
On Monday,
Lordship.
we are deciding it. And in the meantime, if you want to file an application for adjournment, then it's fine. Otherwise, everything will proceed ex parte.
Lordship, in my IA,
We
petitioner-
understand that is for the election petition to,
Yes, Your
we are
Lordship.
passing this order on Monday.
Lordship,
Okay.
obliged.
Oblige you.
We are not passing any order right now. We'll take up this matter around 3:30. Around 4. At 4, we'll take up this matter. You have your instruction from your client. Yes.
Obliged, my lord.
Lordship, with consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 4 of today's daily list.
Item number.
4. Lordship, will be filing our affidavit today itself. We have received the instructions. Accordingly, we'll be filing our affidavit. Lordship, may list it up next week.
On the prayer of, you are for
And for Health Department, Lordship. NHM, Lordship.
NHM, Learned Standing Council for NHM. Praise for N is granted.
We'll fix a short date, 1 week time, considering it's a
How,
2015 app.
and which time to file affidavit in opposition? List this matter accordingly on 20.
Much obliged, Lordship.
May I please, your Lordship?
Yes,
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 13. Lordship-
1-3.
Yes, Lordship. This matter become infructuous, so I want to withdraw it.
लिख दियो. Item 1-3.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
I'm so obliged.
May I please, Lordship, with respect to item number 11, we were supposed to file our affidavit.
Mm.
Lordship, but today being the holiday in the office, we did not file today. Lordship, may we take on Friday, Lordship, by the time.
Friday.
Lordship, very interim, Lordship.
Interim to continue. SC Kyle, huh? Standing Council GST.
Item number 19, my lord. Now, during pendency of the bail application, he has been arrested. It has become
Okay.
infectious.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that during the pendency of this bail application, the petitioner has already been arrested
But-
and accordingly matter has become infructuous. Stop. In
Obliged.
view of the aforesaid submission, the present application stands closed. Petitioner shall be at liberty to approach appropriate forum seeking regular bail.
Shall be.
CD may be returned back.
Bail hearing item 18.
18 also, my lord, they are interim, my lord. I am praying for a date regarding CD, my lord.
Okay, when?
Please, Your Lord.
On
When?
27th, lordship,
27th, interim to continue.
subject to lordship's convenience. 27th.
Interim to continue. Interim is there?
Interim is there,
Yes.
my lord. Obliged. lordship.
27, no? Mr. Goswami, can it be 26th or otherwise 30th, 26th? Or
No.
38 or first of
Lordship,
first of all, first of all.
lordship.
One and two. For order. Movement of party.
What is this?
Lordship, in view of the order and observation of this honorable court that there are two similar prayers
Mm.
into respective IS,
Mm.
I beg the honor to kindly to allow me to withdraw 2580.
You want to withdraw?
I civil 2580 oblique 2024.
Just tell us 2580
80
you want to withdraw. Okay,
and retain the other one 2070 and decide the matter on merit.
okay. First you write down, learned, the applicant in person submits that he may be allowed to withdraw IA civil 2580/2024. Prayer is allowed. Accordingly, I stands closed. Now, which IA will take
2070.
2073?
2073. That may be decided on the merit.
20. What is this application? Tell us.
The prayer was same thing, their prayer for
You want to implead whom?
Dhiraj,
Huh? Why?
Because there in the application very clearly written everything. Lord, so kindly
Where is your writ petition?
read petition, he was not maiden party, he subsequently was maiden party.
No. What is the statement against him in the writ?
No,
petition?
no.
Huh?
There is no statement.
Then no. Then will not allow.
No, Lordship, subsequent to RTI revelation.
You will have to first implead the writ petition, amend the writ petition, make specific allegation that this person has done this, I have got it, and therefore I want to make him a party.
Better, lordship, we should withdraw this petition, lordship. In fact, these matters become infructuous. Lordship, may see the prayer in page 9, lordship.
Of the writ petition,
Lordship,
prayer,
here person from 8, lordship, it is page 9, lordship.
Lordship, this is a subsequent development. This was not early, initially it was, did not reveal.
no, we'll come to that. Let us see the subsequent matter might have a new cause of action.
Yes, Lord.
Connected to the original writ petition.
Maybe, let us understand what is what. Your understanding will not do. This is the difficulty. Where is the prayer?
It starts from page 8, lordship, page 9 is the lordship, you kindly see. The work has been allotted, lordship. The work has been completed by the LOT, lordship.
What is your ground to stop a work? Who is he? He was a tenderer?
No, Lordship.
Lordship, let me explain. I will make kindly allow. The tender clause criteria was 30% should be similar nature of execution of work.
Hmm.
The respondent number 5.
Did you participate?
No, that is the problem.
No, just I'm coming. Two questions. You did not just answer the question.
I did not participate.
You did not participate.
Because
Did
ground.
you, please. Did you challenge the tender condition?
Yes,
Where?
subsequent to the, opening of the tender.
Maybe in which writ petition?
WPC 4185/2023.
WPC.
4185/2023.
This is the application where you have challenged the tender clause. And now tender process is over.
Work has been completed, Lordship.
Work has been completed.
Lordship.
Now, the general principle will be to close this writ petition with a liberty to you to challenge similar tender condition if that is incorporated in the fresh tender process.
Lordship, may I submit?
Yes.
Kindly see the order dated 4/8/2023.
4/8.
2023 of 2023.
Yes.
4185.
Yes.
That in that order, it is very clearly written that tender criteria should be 30% of execution similar nature of work.
Mm.
To accommodate a particular bidder,
Mm.
the respondent party, SC Jorhat Irrigation, he raised the tender criteria from 30% to 80%, thereby diverting many genuine bidders to participate. 30% expel the genuine accepted norms. That is the issue. So therefore, like me, many contractors could not participate. Subsequently, payment was suspended.
Where
By the
is that?
order, by the order, payment was suspended by the
What
IA
is that?
151/2024 in 4185/2023.
Order dated
Dated 22/04/2024.
22.
04/2024. IA Civil 151/2024 in 4185.
Who is respondent number 7?
Respondent, he is the contractor, Mr. Messar MP Agarwala.
Okay. Okay.
And during pendency of the order,
Hmm.
they have secretly made the payment process and sent the file for,
Where is the order of stay?
there is no order.
No, there is no order still.
They are not simply notice was served why payment will not be suspended to the private respondent 7 as well as to the other respondent parties. But they have not filed any objection nor counter affidavit. That is the issue. Matter has been pending. They have to submit something.
Okay. According to us, nothing survives. Now I'm satisfied that why should we proceed in this writ petition?
But I do agree, Lordship, but it is purely discussion on the Lordship.
No,
But
it is purely an academic issue now. Number one. And we don't have that much of time to involve in academics. Okay. There was a tender only in order dated 4/8/2003. Whatever you have submitted is recorded, the
Yes.
notice is issued. No observation, nothing of that sort. No interim order was granted. Tender is executed. Everything is done. Now, we'll close it with a liberty to you if you are agreed to conduct, and that question will be kept open.
Lordship, may I ask you, may I place one IS Civil 151/2024?
Yes.
What will, because the payment has been stopped, suspended by the school.
Where is that?
Why
Also as the order.
Lordship, may I order my condition, why payment will be suspended?
That is a notice formal. That is the problem.
They have not filed any objection.
No, they have not fought it to file. We cannot force them to file it.
Then that will be decided. That will be decided without their any submission.
They may not. This is their option, not to submit.
That is not a ground for challenge.
No, that cannot be. You will have to satisfy your case. Then we'll go to them.
Give some date, then let me go to their records. Okay. Lordship, may kindly be given some time. I will go to thing.
What will you go through?
Because in my humble opinion, when this honorable court, by an order dated 4/8/2023, said that when there is a minimum criteria 30%, why
On
it has,
4/8/2023, this court has not said anything. What this court has recorded is your submission, and at the end of the ordered court said issue notice. That's all.
but they have not filed any counter affidavit.
They have done. They said that nothing is there. You argue on your. We will not file any objections.
Then subsequently payment process has been stopped, suspended.
No,
Why?
not stop. You said that payment should be stopped. Therefore, court said, okay, this is your case. We'll issue a notice. A notice is issued. Nothing more, nothing less.
So in the humble opinion of this court, there is no any merit.
Not at all. That can be a merit in a different case, in a given case, not
And
now.
in the same time, there is a related case, WBC 2485, where the delegation of financial power is being challenged and in review of delegation of financial power to the next. That is also clubbed with this case. That is yet to be decided. So there are two things. Honorable Court, after going through my submission, they said that WBC 2485.
That is there, WBC
2485.
Did not check with this.
Because they have fixed up that
There are-
same day.
Okay, we'll close it either in your favor or in their favor. It is up to them whether they file or not file. You come prepared on which date along with that petition.
Then you give me some time.
Yes, when?
After 3 weeks.
After 3 weeks. On the prayer of the learned counsel for the petitioner in person, release this matter after puja vacation.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
In this case, I am appearing on behalf of ONGC. We have filed this vacating petition for modifying or vacating of the order passed on by this honorable court. On it was on 12.
1/3/24.
Yes, Lordship. So basically, the impugn notice was issued for blacklisting a contractor for 1 year, which is going to expire in January. So matter is kept pending, Lordship. So I am praying for.
So only issue is the contract is over, only issue is blacklisting.
Blacklisting.
Yes, when?
But you may grant us 2 weeks time to file the response. We'll file
Lordship,
the
it only take 1 week's time. Let them.
File
Otherwise, this will become infructuous.
Lordship may grant me 2 weeks time. That is what is mandated under the High Court rules. Also. I'll file it within
Mandated, many things are mandated.
I'll file it within 2 weeks positively, and then Lordship may take it up for
It is
discussion.
only a notice. Notice of
I'll file my response, Lordship. And
notice of blacklisting. Or you have
order has also been passed.
already in past.
Order has also.
Give a date in the meantime.
As per the
3rd of October for disposal, Lordship.
very well.
3rd of October. Okay.
Final disposal, Lordship. That observation may begin. Because I will not argue for vacating because it will be amounting to hearing the whole matter.
Lordship may have it on 27th of September
27th, I will not.
or
hear.
28th,
27th will be difficult for me with this. 28th is a holiday.
20, 20, your Lordship. I can-
20. 20 is absolutely perfect. 20 absolutely perfect.
I'll file my response, your Lordship may take it up.
You file your response, we will take it up. The entire matter will take his application to be an
The main case.
affidavit.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Lordship.
So we are not closing this IA right now.
Yes.
We are fixing that as agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties. List this matter on
28/20.
20/09/2024 The parties have submitted that an endeavor may be made to dispose of entire matter
Lord.
instead of the IA.
Lordship.
List accordingly on 20. Item number?
In this case, we have filed our additional affidavit today, my lord. It is not on the record, my lord. Regarding, my lord,
What is the issue? Today I am a little bit
my
handicapped.
lord,
Straight away to the
my
court.
disbursement of the compensation amount, my lord, due to non-furnishing of the undertaking.
What happened?
That it is not the case. It is another case, my lord. It is in the different case, my lord. That case is listed, my lord, in admission, my lord.
Now it is what
It is
about?
another matter, my lord.
Okay. Mr. Sutia, Learned Council for Standing Council KAC press submitted that an affidavit has been filed
Well, today,
today. Same is not on record. Registry to verify and list this matter on
any date, my lord?
paper date. Any urgency?
No, my lord.
Huh?
No.
No urgency.
No,
Petitioner.
For the
Any
petitioner,
urgency for any
for petitioner, my lord, certain amount we could not transfer to the account, my lord,
Ah.
due to non-furnishing, my lord, undertaking. So
Okay.
before vacation, any date or
Okay.
after vacation?
Give a vacation after that.
After-
Before date. Give a date after vacation. Before vacation.
3rd October.
4th.
21.
Yes, Upadhyay.
Yes, your lordship.
May I please, your lordship, as per earlier order dated 2/9/2024, my lord, instruction was sought from the department, my lord, we have received some certain instructions.
Simple thing. Why matters are pending like this? Court says dispose of his repetition. We want whether you have disposed it of.
Lord, we will dispose of within this week, my lord.
Not yet disposed of. You tell us that. We are fixing it next week.
Much obliged.
Or otherwise, this matter is pending since the original order is of 2011. It will be the
2020.
on the prayer of Learned Council for, you are for
Some Khadi Village Industries Board.
some Khadi and Village Industries Department. Press for an is granted.
With 1 week.
What 1 week? No 1 week. List this matter on this week only. Today is Monday. By Friday you do it. Next Monday.
Much
There is
obliged.
limit to,
Much obliged.
or otherwise the person will have to be here. Yes, next. But this not second half case. This is, we'll take our sound out. Somebody made a mention. Union of India. No,
Not this one.
after vacation. Any urgency?
Awaiting promotion, sir. Would do, my lord.
Awaiting promotion. Oh, promotion can await. We can give you all relief if we allow this revision. On the prayer of the Learned Council for the parties, list this matter on 21st.
Obliged.
1st of October.
Obliged.
23 to 25.
Yes, Mr. Chaudhary.
My lord, what had happened? Direction. My lord, a proceeding was initiated against the three petitioners under this Prohibition of Benami Property Act. Now, the simple fact is, my lord, the transaction pertains to pre-amended period. Therefore, it is squarely covered by Supreme Court judgment, and my lord, the proceedings are stayed. In the meantime, my lord, one gentleman, he has filed an
A petitioner
application.
in person.
Yes, in person. Now, my lord, he is seeking impleadment as according to him, based on his complaint, Income Tax Department initiated the proceeding. Now, my lord, on last two occasions, he was not present.
So we'll close this I for
Actually, I
dismissal.
should be closed.
We are not,
Otherwise, also, my lord, we have shown why he has come.
we are not on, not.
Yes,
on
yes,
that,
authority is
if
there,
he is
yes.
not there on, we have recorded on last occasion
Yes,
also he was
yes,
not
yes.
there.
Only that, man.
None appears for the applicant and call. None represents for the, none represents the applicant when the matter is called today.
No, no,
Full stop.
I.
IA, huh? IA, huh?
No.
IA. The present application is filed for impleadment of the applicant in the connected writ petition, that is WPC 2184 of 2020, isn't it?
Yes.
2020. As none appears for the applicant on the both the occasions, the matter stands dismissed for non-prosecution. IS stands dismissed for non-prosecution.
Well, it can come after vacation. madam, or,
Main case,
you know.
list these matters after ensuing puja vacation.
I am appearing for the income tax.
Mr. Cal for
Alarna, kindly give a date sometime first week of November, 5th of November.
5th of November.
Interim order.
Interim
orders
order
to
pass
continue.
earlier shall continue until
For the
further orders.
Develop.
Item number 28.
Lordship may take up Miss case 67 first.
Miss case,
67 of 2024.
what is this?
Lordship, it is a petition for restoration, Lordship.
Hmm.
The case was dismissed for default. And the ground is that actually originally the case was being led by Mr. B.R. De. Thereafter, after his demise, the case was handed over to Mr. S.S. Sharma, but the name was not reflected in the first list.
You are saying item 67.
Item
No, that is Miss case 67. Where is the order of dismissal?
it's at page 16.
Page
16, Your Lordship.
16.
16. Page 18, the operative portion starts.
No, what happened thereafter? Miss case was withdrawn.
Previously, another Miss case 38 was filed, Your Lordship.
Then
That was on the last date, on last week, Your Lordship, that was found to be filed under a wrong provision. As such, liberty was granted to file afresh, Your Lordship. Was taken up for hearing on 11/9, page 24.
give me the record, original record. Who appeared earlier in this case?
Earlier, Mr. P. Sen, Mr. B. R. Dev.
So was the Akalat number? Heard. Mr. Mukherjee, learned counsel for the applicant. Decision application. Why this matter is listed here?
Lordship, this order was passed by your
So,
registry insisted.
is there any rule? Registry to give an office note why this matter is listed before this court in spite of this court not having the civil bench roster.
Lordship, a date may fix. We have an urgency and execution is already pending.
It should be executed in the meantime.
The date, if
I was thinking of restoring it right now and dismissing in your presence. Concurrent findings, landlord tenant, enough is enough. Approach the registry. Why this is listed? Yes.
For admission, item number 3.
Well, this is the matter, my lord. Lordship
what
will look into
happened
the
next?
first order.
Huh?
Lordship will look into the first order passed by this honorable court, my lord. On my lord, 3/3/2021, my lord.
Hmm.
Everything will be clear that on that day itself, my lord.
3/3.
2021, my lord. 10/3/2021.
Till then, my lord, from that
That's,
day, my lord.
that's good. That
My-
is not a problem. We
My
have
lord.
asked, a specific stand has been taken that I have been to there, but they want to give
My
me,
lord,
it-
it reflects in the order itself, my lord.
Uh.
They have to submit an undertaking and bank document, my lord. Bank details, my lord. It is specifically reflected that will be transferred through RTGS, my lord. So for RTGS, my lord, the bank details are required to be furnished. And they have to
We
submit an
understand,
undertaking,
because they must know to which account they will transfer it.
my lord.
That is fine,
Yeah,
but
from
he's saying that there
2021
is,
to 2024.
now petitioner is not there. We'll do something against the lawyer.
My lord, from the 21, my lord, she is
We'll
not
ask
appearing.
the
The council
bar
is not
council to
appearing.
draw proceeding.
The
This
council is not appearing. We are stating that RTGS will transfer the amount and undertaking is required to be furnished to the extent that hand over the position and will not.
None
obstruct the-
appears for the petitioner on call.
And we have filed the affidavit also, my
Ah.
lord.
An affidavit has been filed.
And in the additional affidavit, they have not stated that what is the bank number, my lord. They have filed the additional affidavit on
We
the
know
basis of
there
lordship
must
passed the
be
order.
interest of some third party, may not be your officers. There is interest of some third party.
No, my lord.
So we will, no, not yours, not yours.
No, my lord, I know that what is going on, my lord, dear my lord. I know. So I'm submitting, my lord. From 2021, we are asking the petitioner to furnish the bank
Why this
account.
petitioner is
Petitioner
tell
is
us?
not here, my lord. He is in the Uttar Pradesh, my lord.
So
He's
on
not
our
here.
behalf, somebody wants.
Yes, my lord. That is the thing, my lord. So I cannot say, my lord.
No, you should say, we'll bring the lady here.
My lord, from 21 not appearing, nobody is appearing, my lord. And blaming the affidavit, my lord. In the affidavit, they have not stated that they have furnished the bank account. Though the court passed the specific order in 10/3/2021 to furnish the bank details.
Where
my
is
lord.
your affidavit?
My lord,
There
additional
is,
affidavit.
I could gather there is a third party in between.
My
And
lord,
a huge amount of land
my lord,
acquisition compensation is.
Case
sought to be-
77, Annexure 1, my lord. We have issued the public notice also, my lord, to submit the bank details, my lord. Despite that, my lord, that is the bank details, Annexure 1, my lord. That is the public notice published in the newspaper.
Where is the lawyer?
Lawyer, my
I'll not dismiss it for default.
lord.
I'll not dismiss it for default. We'll reflected, we'll ask for proceeding against the lawyer.
Some other day, my lord, after vacation. or
None
like that,
appears
my
for
lord.
the petitioner on call. Though a specific allegation was made on the last occasion that the respondent authorities are pressurizing the
To submit.
petitioner to sign in some documents showing some lesser amount of compensation. In aforesaid backdrop, this court passed this part order dated 22/7/2024 and 38/2024, the allegation being serious, full stop. An affidavit has been filed explaining the situation under which the money could not be transferred against the petitioner, full stop.
First, my
As
record
none
is that
appears for the
10/3/2021 order has been passed by this court, my lord. From that day itself, my lord, till that
It
bank
is,
account details has not been
it is
filed.
also submitted by Mr. Sutia, Learned Standing Council, that a specific order was passed on 3/3/2021,
10/3, my lord, 10/3.
10/3/2021, asking the petitioner to appear before the authorities. However, since then, the petitioner has not appeared and rather has alleged some
Has not submitted bank document
to
details.
submit the bank details and monies to be transferred through RTGS. And instead of doing the same, the allegation has been made against the officials. Full stop. However, none appears for the petitioner on call to explain the conduct of the petitioner. Be that as it may, as none appears, matter stands adjourned and be listed on. Give a date before vacation.
Fourth, another case is unneeded.
Fourth.
Five.
Yes.
My lordship, I am on behalf of RP Bora lordship.
Hmm.
For BTC.
Hmm.
Lordship, due to rainy season, verification could not be completed, lordship. 2 months time may be.
What verification? Tell us.
I pray your lordship to kindly verify the last order sheet. There was
This
instruction
is our
to
instruction.
submit a report.
This is our instruction.
My
What
land
was
has
the,
been
what is the
occupied.
subject matter? Huh?
Following the process of
No,
law.
no, what is the subject matter?
My land has been acquired by the forest department. We have been enjoying with the patta. since
Forest
the
department.
Forest department has constructed boundary wall and taken away my land.
I may be given, lordship. Due to rainy season, we cannot.
Rainy season, Assam except Guwahati, where is the rain? Huh? After June, there is no rain except Guwahati, 2-3 spells. We can take judicial notice that Assam is now, there is no rain.
May kindly give.
How much cost? Where is Madam Bora?
She is in legs, court number 1, lordship.
On the prayer of MS RB Bora, Metro stands adjourned. The joint verification, where is that joint verification direction?
Next step. Page 28. Page 28, caliber.
Page
28.
28 of the petition.
Annexure 8.
Yeah, you are? Yes, Madam Bora.
Lordship,
No rain in Assam for last 2-3 months.
but lordship photograph has been,
We do not know about Bodoland.
lordship,
Guwahati we know 2-3 spells, but
no lordship, they went there lordship. It is true lordship.
when can you?
1 month lordship, because
Okay, we are fixing. We hope that there will be no rain during puja, and after puja we are fixing it. First week of November. It is submitted by MS Bora that due to rainy season, the verification required and as proposed in by communication dated 8/9/2016 by the Bodoland Territorial Council. No, by the divisional forest officer, Kosugao division could not be taken up. Dated 8/9/2016 within bracket Annexure 8. Full stop. Could not be taken up, and therefore she prays for an adjournment. Full stop. Prayer is allowed. Please this matter on 6th of November 2024. Plus, please give the report on that day.
diplomas.
Return it.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, we need some instruction from the client whether the matter has become infructuous or not.
We'll decide that.
Lordship, we tried to contact but could not.
Let's say, how then can you say that I will have an instruction? You could not contact. Now let us decide. Isn't it? Yes, what is the issue?
Issue is the last page of the writ petition, page 45.
Page?
The original sale deed was misplaced. Accordingly, this certificate was issued from the office of the sub-registrar. Now they have been denied loan by the LIC because of this letter lots. As because
But
they
there are certain provision in such cases. There are certain provisions under Registration Act and all, because copy
And
may not be there.
the-
It's a
the-
sale deed pertaining to which year? 2003. So
The treated as original and is scanned for keeping the same.
as office records, last line. In spite of that, lordship, the LIC is refusing.
LIC, how can you blame LIC?
No,
They need a
lordship, that is-
title.
That is the That is reflected in our affidavit.
What is your prayer? See, equitable mortgage, we cannot force them to create an
Lordship,
equitable
Lordship,
mortgage
Lordship.
on that basis until and unless there is a police report that this matter is, it is not traceable. And they have certified and copied for the thing and issued with that mark that this is to be treated. This certificate will not do. There are certain procedure.
Lordship, the conducting counsel, Mr. D.P. Bora, is out of station, Lordship. He had left the court. So the matter may be passed over for the day, Lordship.
On the prayer of the learned counsel for the petitioner, matter stands adjourned. The petitioner submits that he may be granted some time to obtain instruction whether there is any surviving cause of action. They pray to direction to LIC, not to you. So it's a misconceived petition. Had it been to you, then
In that case, Lordship.
so
a
that would
directive
have
could
been different
Lordship.
how to proceed. If it is against LIC, why should they give land?
LIC will not.
How they will
act upon
secure,
on this
how they
matter,
will
Lordship.
secure their proceed? Suppose they want to sell this property for default of land. Will Mr. Sharma buy this land?
Lordship.
Even if it is given at 50% rent? No. Tweaks. Musumi. Then have less noise, huh? Nothing before vacation.
Except in this case, I have obtained instruction, they file an application seeking special rate.
Hmm.
It is under examination, or some documents were not provided with them. Even then, the department is considering the application. Probably within a week, Lordship, will come.
We'll adjourn it.
Maybe taken the first week of, after Puja vacation.
Okay.
First week of November.
It is submitted that the consideration, prayers made by the petitioner is under consideration of the department. Accordingly, Mr. Kail, learned counsel submits that matter may be listed after vacation. Stop. Vacation, and in the meantime, he will obtain instruction in this regard. Prayer is allowed, list this matter after vacation.
Much
Obliged.
Yes, Mr. Kalita.
Lordship, pleadings are complete.
Hmm.
So,
Disposal of the matter, because this matter is lingering from 2011. The matter has not been
Today
solved,
possible? Or what?
not today, I mean like.
but it will take some time.
Take some
at
time,
least
so,
Take
so
some
that
time.
may
Half an hour
fix,
to
that
1
may
hour.
fix.
Okay, it is
Let me
submitted
fix.
by the learned counsel for the parties that matter is ready as regards service and pleadings, and therefore
Hearing the,
may be taken up for admission hearing.
Yeah.
When?
In the month of November,
no, September, 24th of September, 7th.
September, maybe before
Not
vacation,
November.
maybe
after the vacation. only.
October or November.
November.
On reopening?
October also, why not? Motion will be there again.
That's why.
Again, the Diwali holiday. So let it fix on November, my lord.
Give a November. List this matter.
7th of November.
7th of November,
7th of November.
2024
That
for
will-
admission hearing.
Another item, my lord, is there. Item number 27.
Same.
Not same. but
Item number
subsidiary matter.
17, Lordship, we'll file an affidavit, Lordship, in this matter. We have got the
17.
instructions, 17.
17.
So
So
3
they are
weeks
going to
time,
file
Lordship,
it.
3 weeks time.
17, 3 weeks time to file affidavit by the Industries and Commerce Department. List after vacation.
So obliged, Lordship.
Okay.
আমি কোৱা নাই সেইটো।
In the meantime, the petitioner may also file rejoinder to the affidavit filed by the
Union of India.
Union of India. K. Gogoi, huh? Indian. Oil. Yes. Huh? Oh, 17th will be difficult. 7th. Huh? 7th November. 7th November will be difficult.
After that, we file 12th of November.
12th November.
12 will do it. 12 will do.
Just mark this, there are 7 and 8.
Question 9.
Yes.
Well, the petitioner sought for a direction against the concerned respondent, my lord, to hand over the possession of the office. And also, my lord, some other prayers which are at page number 18, 19, my lord. But first of all, the office premises have been illegally been occupied by the,
Office premises of Rashtrabhasa.
yes, my lord.
Occupied by whom?
Occupied by the earlier incumbent, my lord, who was the, my lord, they have got some, their own designation like post of Prantiya Sanchalak.
Hmm.
I am the present Prantiya Sanchalak. The earlier Prantiya Sanchalak has held on to
Now,
it.
who
my
is
lord.
your controlling authority?
Controlling office is at Wardha.
No, who is controlling authority?
Well, funding is, my lord, there is a
Now, what is this association? Society?
it's a society
Controlled by whom?
controlled by the, my lord, primarily, my lord, this Union of India, my lord.
So was the memorandum of association?
My lord. Ministry of Human Resource Development, Department of Higher Education.
It's a society.
Yes, ma'am.
So please show us the MOA and to
Earlier,
whom will issue a direction?
my lord.
To whom will issue a direction?
My lord, to the Deputy Commissioner.
What is the role of Deputy Commissioner?
My lord, this has to be honored, my lord. My lord, what has happened, my lord, earlier?
No, see, Mr. Goswami, let us understand the fundamental. If it is a society registered under Societies Registration Act, it should be guided by its memorandum of association and articles of association, and there will be rules. Now, we'll have to understand what are these rule prescribes. And who is the controlling authority? Who you are the board of directors, isn't it?
My lord, yes.
Or you are who is the petitioner?
Petitioner is the called by lord Prantiya Sanchalak. In other words, she is considered to be the officer in charge of this area, my lord.
We understand.
Yes, ma'am.
No, so she is this is not a
Her appointment
this is not a case by the society.
Not by her, my lord.
By her.
But society is supporting, my lord. Society is not.
No, that is not the issue. The property belongs to whom?
Property belongs to the society, my lord.
So society is not before us.
Society will, my lord, society party, my lord.
So how can we issue a writ to a private party in such a circumstances?
I am appearing.
My lord,
Who are you?
my friend is appearing.
3 and 4. Your
3 and
Do
4.
you have any grievance?
No, Your Lordship, we have
We are in tandem, my lord.
appointed, Your Lordship. We have appointed him, Your Lordship.
Do you understand? But you don't have any grievance that your property is the property is not his.
It's in a letter to the Deputy
So
Commissioner.
you have no grievance. Why should you enter in this writ petition on her behalf? Number one. Number two is you'll have to decide it is to be the petitioner cannot be a agree person. Agree person should be the society. Property belongs to society. Then many other questions will come.
We have written, Your Lordship.
But you are not the petitioner.
No, we are not the petitioner.
Then think over it on the prayer of the learned council for the parties. Who is parties list this matter after vacation?
My lord, respondent number 7 has to be directed to.
We will not direct anybody until
No,
unless
no, my lord.
we will have a satisfaction that we can issue a direction.
My lord, this issue, my lord, came up, my lord. After hearing initially, my lord, the court was not ready to issue writ, my lord. Thereafter, on hearing, my lord, then since we are discharging a public duty, my lord, then my
No,
lord,
we are not on writ petition.
my lord.
We are not on public duty. It's or controlled by the Union of India, financed by Union Education Ministry. That is fine. We are not on that. We are on that whose grievance? Hmm? Hmm.
There is also some, not permitted, not by my company.
Who are you?
3 and 4, I have, yeah, I am going to submit my.
File it.
Then I will withdraw. I will
Withdraw.
withdraw, Your Lordship.
Simply.
Press-
If
My friend is there. Would the party?
that's why I am asking a question. The society has not come. Society is made a respondent. and the society engages Mr. Bhattakur. Now, if somebody comes and says that, okay, we have engaged Bhattakur, now we are withdrawing this brief, we are engaging him. That
Lordship, that is not the.
we do not know, we are not, we will not go to that.
The respondent 3 and 4, the Consult Committee, who are the, is a different identity, Lordship.
Who are you?
Trust. I am the secretary of the Rashtrapati Respondent 3. And 4 is the Purvanchal Mantri.
And who is he?
They are claiming that we are the, but there is.
There is a dispute as regards. That is why I am asking.
That is the main thing.
Now it is to be resolved. Who is the Excel Society?
Affidavit, that will clear things.
Yes.
Come on, affidavit.
On the prayer of the London Council for the Parties, list this matter after puja vacation. Do whatever. We are not observing anything. You do. You file. You may ask your. We are not here to advise you.
Yes.
The department may say, Mr. Bhattakur, that please we are engaging some others. He will give you the brief. That's all. Why should you file an wakalatnama when already a lawyer is there? Your secretary will request him, just please hand over the brief. He will hand over the brief because he is representing an association. Anyway, next after puja.
May it please the Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, this matter pertains to non-payment of dependent family Swatantrata Sainik Sanman pension.
What pension?
Swatantrata Sainik Sanman pension, SSS pension, central. On the last
You are a Swatantrata Senani.
freedom fighter.
You are a freedom fighter.
No, I'm not a freedom fighter.
Freedom fighter.
My father was the freedom fighter.
You are an unmarried daughter.
Lordship. And after his death,
Lordship,
my mother was
my instruction, Lordship, on 38 August, Lordship, the Freedom Fighters Division has sent Lordship, sent letters to different authorities, Lordship, seeking certain clarification and documents, including the petitioner's Lordship, and the reply has not received till that.
Have you filed an affidavit?
The affidavit has been
Now
filed,
bring the
Lordship.
instruction, will record. Yes. Have you received anything?
I have received and
have you replied? No, I do not want that
You
paper.
have to file some particulars which has been asked by for
You
this
file it.
letter.
I will send them by next week, Lord.
Okay.
And
It is submitted that the claim of the petitioner for SS,
SSS pension.
SSS Swatantrata Senani,
Swatantrata Sainik
Sainik Samman pension.
Sainik Sanman pension being a legal years of a Sainik.
freedom fighter.
Freedom, legal years of a freedom fighter, full stop. It is submitted by the learned CGC that the prayer of the petitioner is under consideration, and accordingly certain clarification has been sought from the petitioner and petitioner. At this stage, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he is in receipt of such clarification, and accordingly he will submit the detailed particulars within 15 days before the competent authority.
Moreover, the ministry has also sent letters to AG and the bank and Women Political Stores.
Okay.
They should also take
They will do. They will not keep it pending. In view of the aforesaid, matter stands adjourned and be listed after puja vacation.
Then maybe order for
On
respondent number 6.
6. Mr. Chakraborty for respondent number 6 and Madam for Devi for Union of India.
1 to 5.
1 to 5. 1 to 5.
For the state assessment. State assessment.
State assessment.
Made please, Your Lordship. Claiming pension for compensation for acquisition of the lands. Way back in 2001, and the LA case was initiated.
Instruction have received, my lord. Accordingly, affidavit drafted and sent for waiting.
Okay.
May I have some
Okay.
more time?
Learned State Council submits that they have sent the affidavit for fitting and accordingly prays for adjournment for 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed. List after puja.
Deeply.
Yes, Mr. Dutta.
a very small matter, my lord.
Mm.
But I had supplied some item to the my lord, agriculture department, my lord, which my lord I have not received that.
What is the instruction?
Let's, instruction is delayed, 2 weeks time maybe.
No 2 weeks time, just it is a specific allowance. We are fixing it before puja vacation. And we are asking you to give us specific instruction, either on affidavit or on instruction, so that we can dispose it of. The present petition is filed claiming that the final bill amounting to rupees 991,116, 996,116 is still not been paid against supply of stationery articles to the respondent department. Full stop. The MS Bora, Learned Standing Council for the department submits that she needs some more time to complete her instruction. Prayer is allowed. Full stop. On the next date fixed, the Learned Circle Council shall obtain instruction and apprise this court whether the amount of rupees 991,160 is claimed by the petitioner is admitted by the respondent department, and if so, the reason for non-payment of such amount. Specific these two instruction. List this matter on 30, not 30th, not 30th. 27, 28, 27 is a Friday, 27 and 38, not 27 and 38. Third, but you obtained the instruction. Third.
Hello. The petitioner, my lord, he has to go to Chennai every 3 months, my lord.
Which he's not
Very
keeping well.
serious,
Okay.
Okay, on third, my lord, I'm not.
It is it is also submitted by the Learned Council for the petitioner. The petitioner is in dire need of money,
Yes.
as he is undergoing treatment for
Treatment, my lord, actually, to be honest, my lord, is a gas drinker, my lord.
cirrhosis.
Yes.
At
Gastro,
least let him have the
gastroenterology, my lord.
well, I will use a better word for his treatment for his serious ailment in liver. Full stop.
Let's see, I'll try my best.
Not right. Give us. Then you will. Then again he'll have to. By the time money comes, that may require from some other purposes. Isn't it? He will not be able to enjoy.
I am obliged.
This case, my lord, I am appealing for response 5, my lord. And today he has filed an affidavit, my lord, so I have to file reply, my lord.
Okay.
It's not on record.
It is submitted an affidavit in opposition has been filed by
Petitioner.
additional affidavit. Huh?
No, my lord, we have filed, my lord, rejoinder, my lord.
Then what more is required?
Nothing, my lord.
Why there will be no end to any affidavit.
Government
Then you will say I will file.
Then, my lord, let the matter come on next week, my lord.
What is the issue here?
Issue, my lord, regarding my conversion of land, my lord, government land. We are
Okay, then.
We are occupying the government land, my lord, since, my lord, our forefathers, my lord. And we have applied for settlement.
Now it is being proposed to settle with them.
Now, my lord, the government land has been converted, 20 bighas of land has been converted to, my lord, Miyadi water land in favor of the private aspirant who is a government employee. Without any documents. Government submitted.
Who is possessing the land?
My lord, 10 bighas of land we are possessing, my lord. And they are trying to, my lord, evict us. And government file affidavit, my lord, without clarification. Any.
Okay. In this matter, pleadings are complete. List this matter on.
Hello? Our affidavit may be rejoinder, may be recording.
List this matter on. Tell us, if not possible, then after vacation.
Last week, my lord, November, my lord.
4th of November. Full stop. It 4th.
Oh, right.
But in this case, we are filing our affidavit. It will be filed by the courts of the state.
During today?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay.
That was-
It is that submitted by the learned, do you,
No,
you are,
I'm here, Lordship.
huh?
I'm here, Lordship.
Yeah, learned council, standing council, that an affidavit is being filed during the course
During
of the day.
course of the day, Lordship. They'll receive it during the course of the
What is the urgency? Oh, license.
license.
Okay.
Let it come.
After vacation?
Yes,
Okay.
Your Lordship, because I might have to file a reply also. to
Okay,
that.
accordingly, let this matter be listed after vacation. In the meantime, the petitioner may file rejoinder.
Much obliged, Lordship.
27.
Well, in this case, my lord, we are appearing for the respondent number 1 and 2, my lord.
Who are they?
My lord, they are State Bank of India, my lord.
Why have you not entered
My lord,
appearance?
just 1 hour ago, my lord, I have received a call from, my lord, the bank official that they have received the notice. My lord, due to there was some inspection was going on, my lord, at that relevant point of time in the month of April, my lord. And that's why, my lord, they could not, my lord, communicate the matter to the head office. Head office, my lord, could not engage us, my lord, to prosecute the case. Now, my lord, day before yesterday, my lord, the police, concerned police station, my lord, the police went there, my lord, served notice, my lord. Accordingly, they have informed us, my lord. Now, my lord, I shall pray, my lord, that we shall file our, we have received the copy.
What
right
is your
now.
instruction? Why bank account is seized?
My lord,
Frozen.
now this respondent number 3, my lord, they say, my lord, that she is the wife of the deceased, my lord, Suman De, who is the landlord, my lord. Now, that being so, my lord, she is claiming the rent to be deposited in her account. That is the dispute. In fact, the dispute in between, my lord, the petitioner.
That we
number 1 and
understand.
2.
We want to know
My lord.
your power to freeze a bank account
My
on
lord.
the request of somebody else.
My
The
lord.
bank account was in whose name?
Bank account was in the name of the respondent number 3, my lord. Respondent number,
Petitioner number 3.
petitioner number 3.
And
The
who
Darshan.
filed a complaint before you?
My lord,
Close.
this respondent number 3.
Who is your a client in your bank? In whose name account is there?
Both are there, my lord.
Joint account.
My lord, there are, my lord, some.
Is it joint account?
My lord, my lord, details.
Mr. Sen, I am telling you.
My lord. My lord, just now, my lord,
I'll give you a time. I'll give you a time today. But just remind yourself
No.
that when we require to be strict, we'll be strict.
I'm extremely sorry, my lord. on the
Number one.
Part of the
Number
bank.
two, no, that
Yes,
we
my
are
lord.
condoning for the day, but they will have to file an affidavit why they have that submission you have made,
My lord.
that will have to come on record.
I'll-
Because you have specifically passed this order that we are already taken a view, but before passing an order against the branch manager,
Correct. my
we
lord.
want to give you a time.
I have seen, my lord. I have seen that. Yes.
Despite that, they have intimated you in the last hour. That is your submission.
My lord, I'm extremely sorry, my lord, on part of my lord, the bank, because I am
No, that we
protecting the,
understand.
I am
We
protecting
are
the,
not blaming you.
my lord, I am protecting,
So,
my lord,
bank's carelessness still remains. It is the second
my
incident.
lord, that I admit, my lord, there are.
If you
some
admit,
loopholes.
be ready to face consequences.
But,
We may ask for departmental proceeding against those things. What will happen to him? What is the merit of the case? That is a different thing.
That of course your lordship.
That
will
is
examine.
different thing, but we
Yes.
do not tolerate this kind of
My
things.
lord,
This is
my lord,
number one.
This is something. my
Number
lord,
two, you are the authority, a bank account is maintained. We want you to be clear on facts without taking any biases for any side.
Absolutely. my
Just
lord. We
tell
are a-
your officer
My lord, yes.
and we'll get hold of you if we know that there is a bias. And we are fixing it before vacation.
There cannot be any biasness, my lord. My lord,
On
we
the
are
bank,
government
banks.
service.
And you also remind yourself all the guidelines and things when a bank account can be frozen.
I'll come back, my lord, with all this.
That
And
we
then,
know.
we
We are
can-
not enlightening. We know under what circumstances an individual bank account can
Can
be
be
freezed.
Frozen, frozen,
If
yes.
that be so, It is submitted. Mr. Sen Learned Counsel has entered appearance on behalf of the respondent number
1 and 2, my lord.
1 and 2 in terms of this court's order dated 6/9/2024. However, no affidavit has been filed in terms of this court's earlier order dated 6/9/2024. Mr. Sen submits that he was engaged when
Today itself, my lord, I have.
he has been asked to appear today itself, and the notice upon the bank was served on 6/9 on 13/9/2024. Therefore, they could not file the affidavit and accordingly press for
2 weeks time. my lord.
no 2 weeks, nothing. We thought of fixing it on Friday so that you can file the affidavit. You will have to simply already you know your reason why bank account in freezed. That reason we want to know, and the explanation why even after receipt of notice you have not appeared. List this matter on Monday. Tuesday next.
But can it be Wednesday next? my lord?
Wednesday next. In the meantime, affidavit be filed. List accordingly.
Highly aware.
তিনটার বলেছি you contact it if at 4 I will again come back. Okay, you contact them over phone whether matter will be taken or will pass the order, as simple as that. Yes.
Lordship, yeah, I beg pardon to submit that due to the two reason, Your Honor. Due to the two reason, I could not file proper application for adjournment, Your Honor, on behalf of the respondent number 1, Your Honor. Since he's out of station and the leading counsel, he's from the Guwahati, he could appear. So I filed application for request application and then former application under rules.
You ought to
Order
have filed an
17.
application for adjournment.
Yes, Your Lordship.
That we could not file that obligation. Norm, it is a CPC is applicable.
Yes,
Okay.
Lordship, yes, I do, yes,
You are
Lordship.
aware, and this is an application, not a writ petition where we can exercise our discretionary power. This
Lordship,
is an application, election petition.
Lordship,
In terms of CPC, suppose you are today was a date of appearance
Lordship,
and filing written statement.
Lordship,
Now, from the date, the time will start clicking 90 days.
Lordship.
Okay. So now you appear today and you could have sought an adjournment, simple and IA filing that we want some adjournment for this ground. The petitioner could not come and file the application. He is out of station. That could have been
Lordship,
very good ground to
Lordship.
allow this petition.
Lordship, we have already filed as of now.
Okay, we'll pass this order. Just we'll upload this order tomorrow. Go through it. Okay.
Obliged, Your Honor. We have filed, Your Honor, application. We have filed application.
You have filed application today
Yes.
before registry.
Yes, Your Lordship has given 2 hours.
You have filed it. An
Yes, Your
application for
Lordship.
adjournment file.
Yes, Your Lordship, Your Honor.
Very good. Then will anything sent? Huh? So we'll take up this matter tomorrow. Okay.
Obliged, Your
For
Honor.
this passing this order, just write down.
Obliged,
It is
Your
submitted by the. No, just write it down.
Yes, for this team and then-
Write it down. It will likho. Office note dated 16/9/2024. No, and this matter is ready as regards service, which is disclosed from the office note dated 13/9/2024 and 16/9/2024. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he has. You are Mr. Your name, please. Learned counsel for the respondent number 1.
Yes, T Bo, Lordship.
T
Bo, B-O-O. T for tiger, B for boy. T Bo,
B
Your
for
Lordship.
tiger, B
For boy. B-O-O.
W
B-O-O.
B-O
B-O-O, Lordship.
B-O-O. T Boo B-O-O. Learned counsel for the respondent number 1, and he submits that he has already he verbally submits that the written statement could not be filed as the respondent number 1 was not in a position to swear such written statement. No, not the written statement, that they could not prepare the written statement. Full stop. In view of the aforesaid, he submits that he has already filed an application seeking adjournment before the registry. Full stop. Same is not on record. Registry to transmit the aforesaid application to the registry at Guwahati, and accordingly list this matter tomorrow for passing an order on that application. Full stop. List accordingly. Matter was just in the initially start. The matter is taken up virtually from Itanagar. Then other things. Okay, we'll pass this order after getting this. Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
Then you just have your instruction. When will you file affidavit, and accordingly you'll fix a date.
Lordship.
Okay, and also you give a specific when have you received the notice.
Lordship, I have also mentioned that
You just submit tomorrow and ask the registry to increase the volume. We are not getting anything. Yet should we increase the volume here? Which is no. Just a minute.
Lordship, may I submit your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, on this IA, which was supposed to taken up on the Monday. So Lordship is on behalf of respondent number 1 and 2. We would like also pray that the same date may be fixed for on the Monday.
No, we'll have to pass this order today. But since matter is not there, there are some procedure in election petition. We cannot do like this. The very
Lordship.
strict procedure. That
Lordship.
that is will deliver the order on that date. Now,
Lordship.
so far relating to this case, whether it will have to pass an order granting you adjournment.
Lordship.
That we could not pass in absence of this petition.
Lordship.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Election
Lord-
petitioner, do you object for adjournment?
My lord, no objection, my lord.
No objection. Okay, we'll record it tomorrow.
Okay.
However,
Obliged, Mr.
however, the election petitioner submits that he will not object at this stage for filing of written statement. Okay. He will not object for prayer of adjournment today.
Lordship, we
Okay.
we are required to appear tomorrow for passing of the order, Lordship.
Of course.
Okay, obliged, Lord.
Somebody be here. Petitioner may not be there because we'll see your petition, na? And we'll pass an order.
Lordship.
Okay. Volume from Itanagar is not coming. Why?
Problem from there also. We have a
We
maximum.
have maximum volume. Okay. So it's just we'll have this matter tomorrow again. Okay. Tomorrow. Election petition is to be finished within 6 months. We cannot delay these things. Okay. So
Lordship.
that's it.
Obliged.
Tomorrow at what time? Please tell us at what time?
Lordship is better in the morning.
10:30 or at 2?
Yeah, 2:30, 10:30, Lordship.
10:30. Okay, at 10:30.
Lordship. Obliged, Lordship.